Hello, it's a rainy morning. I'd like to discuss about the 4 W's and 1 H. What, when, where, why, and how. In Ilonggo, what is ano? Used in a sentence, ano ang ngalan mo? What is your name? In a conversational tone, it sounds like, ano ngalan mo? So, it's not like, ano ang ngalan mo, but ano ngalan mo? That's how you say it conversationally. When is san o? San o ka maabot? San o ka maabot? There are times when you say san o, a word sang appears before san o. Sang, san o. So, for example, if you want to ask, when were you born? The Ilonggo would ask, sang san o ka na tawo? If you get used to word usage in Ilonggo, you would know when sang appears before san o. So, san o ka makadto? When are you coming? And sang san o ka na tawo? When were you born? Where in Ilonggo is diin. Diin ka makadto. Diin ka makadto. Sometimes diin is slurred into din. Din ka makadto. Sometimes the word sa is also used before diin. Sa diin ka makadto. Sa is your equivalent of the preposition to. So transliterally, it means sa diin ka makadto. To where are you going? But you can also say din ka makadto, slurred as din ka makadto, sa din ka makadto. It's all the same. Where are you going? Why? In Ilonggo, it's ngaa. Ngaa gaulan. Why does it rain? Sometimes in conversations, you would hear the word kay before ngaa. So, kay ngaa gidya gaulan. So if you're more inquisitive as to why is it raining, so you'd ask the more inquisitive, kay nga gidya gaulan. Why is it really raining? Why is it raining? Nga gaulan. How? In Ilonggo, paano? Sometimes paano is slurred as paano. Paano nahimo ang ulan? How is rain made? Paano nagulan? How did it rain? Paano? How? In some expressions, you would hear the word na after paano. Paano na? It means, how is it done? Paano na karon? It means, paano na karon? What now? Or how now? There you have it. The 4 W's and 1 H. Ano? San o? Diin? Ngaa? Paano? So, bye-bye for now. Mini hearts, I love you all. And ano, san o, diin, ano, san o, diin, nga, ano, san o, diin, nga, paano.